Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how we can add a photo to our existing contacts in the phone book in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So first we have to go to our phone book, contacts, then we can select our contact that we want to add a photo. Next, this little option right here. To add a photo, we simply have to tap this big circle here with a camera picture, and now we have a few options available. For example, we can go to our gallery and we can choose existing photo. We can crop it a little bit and change what will be visible. For example, in this position here, we select it done, then remember to save, and our photo is now available and ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.